unbox this awesome Walgreens Deluxe wrist blood pressure pulse monitor. It says 99 memory, one touch operation, automatic installation, 5 years warranty. This is awesome gadget. And let's check what inside. We have instruction, but who cares about instruction after my video. Okay, let's check this gadget. And this goes to the wrist like this. At first we're gonna start this start stop button. I'm gonna click this button. Now I need to attach it like here. Then after 1 minute it show me result. Okay, let's do it again. You should relax before this operation. Now it goes down. Pressure is released right now. And we are waiting for result. I click memory button. And now we can see, as you can see, my blood pressure 120 and 73 by 73, and my heart 72 beats. I say right? Yes. Pulse. My pulse is 72. Oh, as you can see, it looks same 220 by 80, but my 73 and pulse is 72. It's same, very close to this result. Okay, be happy, and I hope your pulse should be same like this and mine. Thanks for watching.
What we do here is go back.